Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will create this colorful eye look inspired by Pinterest. This is the second look I'll be doing for the series I have started where I create fun makeup looks inspired by Pinterest or any other source. You can check out my previous look. I will pin the link on the screen. I love how today's look turned out, and if you want to know how I did this, then please keep on watching. To start any eye look, you need to prep your eyes, especially when you are going for vibrant colors. The eye base should be well done to get the maximum pigmentation out of your shadows. For today's eye base, I am not going to set the whole thing with loose powder or compact powder. I will only set the top part of my crease where we usually blend the transition shade. And then I will directly go with the eyeshadows after this. I'm going with this dark blue shade on a bullet pencil brush, and I will start packing it on the outer corner, creating a V-like shape. Wiping off the brush, and then I will start diffusing the edges using small circular motions. And then on the diffused edges, I will go ahead with this light blue shade and start blending. Taking the light blue and white shades together, and I will start to blend out even more. Next up, I am taking this green shade and start packing it with the help of a shader brush. I am placing this shade slightly above my crease line. And then I am taking this shade to diffuse between the green and blue colors. This will act as a middle shade to make it look like a seamless transition between these colors. Then I'll take this light green and blend it above the previous green. And I will also be using the same light green color as the middle shade between the green and the yellow shade. I will then pack the yellow shade into the inner corner and start blending it out. I'm using this blue liner from Lakme, and I will draw a nice sharp wing. I will also be using the same eyeliner to make a cat eye look. I'm using a Kajal on my lower waterline. You can also use a dark blue Kajal for this, and I will start diffusing it with the same shades we used previously. Finishing off with a coat of mascara, and there you have the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this short tutorial. I have the last look of this series coming up next week, so stay tuned for that. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. I have linked all the products in the description below. I'll see you guys soon. Bye!